Hey guys, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into CVS. It is February the 19th, 2023. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Please print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. No need to write these deals down. Also, please join me on Instagram and TikTok. I show a lot of my visual deals on there. I want to say thank you for 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please, let's go ahead and get started on some great deals. Hello, praisers and savers. Thank you so much for 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. In order to thank you guys, I have made some really cute stickers. So these stickers are vinyl and they're waterproof. They have a holographic lining over top of them, and I made them myself. So with these stickers, what you're going to do is you're just going to comment below. You can comment anything. You can comment coupon. You can comment 3,000 subscribers. I don't care. But you'll comment below, and then I'll select someone to get this sticker pack. So I've got 2 of these, obsessed with couponing. I love this one, Make Heaven Crowded. That's so cute. 2 of those. I've got, this one is cute. I just thought it was cute. I made it. This is a roller skating one. And then this one is Be Happy, Be Bright, Be You. So super cute. Oh, and this one is Keep Calm and Coupon. So, all right. So just comment below and I will select someone to win this sticker pack. So make sure you check out your Valentine's clearance. At my store, they had this Hersheys Kiss Hot Cocoa. Bags are usually $5.19, but I was able to get these for $2.60 each. Then on the app, there's a $2 coupon when you buy 2. So what you're going to do is buy 2 at $2.60 each. Your total will be $5.20. Using that $2 coupon on the CVS app, it brings your total down to $3.20 or $1.60 per bag of Hershey Kisses. So make sure you maximize those savings by using those coupons with those clearance items. Great deal on the Hershey Kisses. Guys, you know I love a great deal on cereal, and cereal is the #1 thing that I pick up at drugstores. CVS in particular, and so my daughter loves Reese's Puffs. These are usually $6.99. Wow, that is really expensive for cereal, but they're on sale for $1.99. We do have a $1 coupon when you buy 2 on the CVS app, and we also have a $1 on IBOTTA when you buy 2. So what you'll do is you'll pick up 2 of these. Your total will be $3.98. You'll take that $1 coupon off. You'll also take that $1 IBOTTA off. And your total will be $1.98 or 99 cents for each box of cereal. I apologize. I forgot to take a picture of the Fiber One bars in the store. But this is going to be a really great deal. They're $1.24 each. Now, I picked up the Fiber One bars that were the Weight Watchers ones. There is a 50-cent IBOTTA on these, and then also on the coupons app, there's a 50-cent when you buy 2. So what you'll do is you'll pick up 2 of these. Your total will be $3.98 using that 50-cent coupon from the coupons app, and then also you'll get that 50-cent on IBOTTA twice. It'll make your total $2.48 or $1.25 each. So really great deal on the Fiber One protein bars. We have a really great deal on the Skintimate razors. These are usually $8.99, but we're going to be getting these for $1.32 each. They're on sale for $6.99, but when you spend $15, you'll get $5 back in extra care bucks. So because they are spend $15, we have to get 3 of them to make that threshold. Here's the breakdown. We're getting 3 of them. Our total will be $20.97. There are 2 $4 coupons on your CVS app. 2 of those Skintimate coupons on your CVS app. And then we'll also use a $4 coupon from the coupons.com app. So that's in total 3 coupons. That will be $12 in coupons. 2 on the CVS app and 1 on the coupons.com app. We'll also get back $5 in extra care bucks because we made that $15 threshold. So our total for everything is $3.97 or $1.32 each. So the Crest 3D White, we have a small glitch, and what's happening here is both of these coupons are going to come off that you see on the app. This $5 coupon and this $1 coupon. So this is what we're going to do. These are usually $5.99 each, but they're on sale for $4.99. We're going to pick up 3 of these in order to get back that $5 and extra care bucks. So the total after we buy 3 is $14.97. We're using both of those coupons that you see. So we'll have a $5 and a $1. That's $6 in coupons. That will come off. Then we'll get back $5 in extra care bucks. Our total will be $3.97 or $1.32 each. I almost didn't get this. I'm so glad I did because my store didn't have all the tags up yet, so I was getting kind of frustrated. But these at Neutrogena's are going to be $1.85 each. This is such a good deal. So I wanted the pink face wipes. They didn't have any, but they did have the acne wash, the pink grapefruit. And it's a little more expensive than I would have liked because usually the face wipes are like $6 or $7. But I got 2 of these face washes. They were usually $9.79, but because they are buy one, get one 40% off, and when you buy 2, it would be like saying they're $6.85 each. So buying 2, your total is $13.70. We have that $3 coupon that you see there, and we also have a $3 coupon on the coupons.com app. We also have that $2 store coupon when you spend $10, and then we get back $2 extra care bucks. So your total for both of them will be $3.70. So 2 $3 coupons, that's $6 in coupons, a $2 store coupon, and then $2 back in extra care bucks will make this total $3.70 for these face wipes face wash, or $1.85 each. So these Covergirl eye products, I usually get the gel pen that you see to the right because I don't like using the sharpener. These are $6.29 each, and we're going to pick up 2 of these. Our total will be $12.58. We're able to use both of these coupons because we're picking up 2, so that's $4 in coupons with these eye products. And then we'll also get back $6 in extra care bucks because we're buying 2 of the Covergirl products. The total after the 2 coupons and the extra care bucks is $2.58 or $1.29 each. So really great deal on these Covergirl products. And I wanted to show you which one I usually get. I get this one here. This is the gel-like Covergirl product. It works. I love it. I'm not a big fan of Covergirl mascara, but I do like this. Is the only one I use. It lasts a while and, costs $1. So might as well just go ahead and pick those up every time you can get some Covergirl on sale. So this $3 off CRT store coupon is attaching to the baby lips. It says it doesn't, but it does attach. Just make sure you scan it. These baby lips are $4.49 each. This $3 attaching, which will make these just $1.49. I like to get the one that's the 05, the clear one, because it has SPF in it, and summertime's coming, so this is very important. There's also the medicated balm, just different ones that you can get for your kids or whoever. I like to stick these in my treasure box as well at work when my kids don't want them. So $1.49 on this, awesome deal. I'm going to pass on the Revlon deal this week, but the coupons are great. Plus, I was loving this pink. Like, I wanted to get that color stay lip. I just had to have it. So if you were supposed to spend $20, you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks when you buy the Revlon products. So you can mix and match whatever Revlon products you want. And then there's also a $4 off 20, and then a $4 off any Revlon cosmetics. So just mix and match different things that will work best for you. You may have paper coupons. I don't do paper coupons anymore, but I got this around $3.50 for this, so I think it's a good deal. Alright guys, so everything you see here was about $150 before any kind of savings, store discounts, coupons, whatever. That's a lot of money. I cannot believe that was $150, but it was, according to my receipts. And I only paid $30 today. A little bit higher out of pocket than usual, but I did get some high value makeup and that face watch, which I really, really wanted. Guys, please make sure that you are scanning your receipts for Fetch, IBOTTA, also your coupons.com app to maximize all of your savings. Remember, there is a principal breakdown in the description box, and don't forget to comment below if you want to win the sticker pack. I will see you guys next time. Hopefully, I'll be heading into Walmart. Thanks, guys.